Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Easy prepared pepper kebab recipe to be baked in the oven. Ingredients for making pepper kebab: 3 kilograms of lamb meat, 200 grams of sheeptail oil, 28 pieces can be green cap pepper or red. Sauce for ketchup, thyme, black pepper, soy sauce, spicy pepper paste and crushed garlic, salt, cheddar cheese. You've seen the ingredients, now is the time to prepare the meal. Firstly, lamb meat should be prepared as minced meat. It may be better to have the meat slightly frozen to prepare minced meat. The meat will not be crushed when it comes out of the machine, the meat will be green. Turkey also preferred lamb, this dish can be prepared with turkey or cow meat. Add some soy sauce on ground beef. Add up to 50 grams of salt, pepper paste and add crushed garlic. A little oil can be added for easy kneading. Mixture should knead well for at least 5 minutes. Ground meat ready, prepare peppers now. Cut the middle of the pepper with a knife, remove the seeds. Will be a very tasty meal with less ingredients. Prepare minced balls of at least 110 grams. Prepare chopped long cheddar cheeses. Shape the minced meat with your hand. Add cheese between minced meat and cloves. Prepare the minced meat so that it is easy to fit into the pepper. In case of less add minced meat, it will be good to have the inside filled. Fill the peppers and place on the baking sheet. Apply very little olive oil and lubricate the outside of the peppers. Examine the stuffed peppers from a close angle. Cover the baking tray and bake in the oven. Can use aluminum foil or steel cover. Bake at 180 degrees for 35 minutes. Add some water to the saucepan for sauce. Add soy sauce. Add tomato ketchup, thyme and pepper, stir. Add some sugar and salt. Check the cooking status of pepper kebabs. Add the sauce after removing the kebabs from the oven. Add the sauces on the kebabs and serve immediately as hot. You can add rice, pasta, salad and yogurt. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Please share videos with your friends. See you in a new video. Goodbye.